So I've been asked to fit this more than low miler. It's like a low mileage insurance tracking black box device. It just plugs into your OBD. So there's a website on here, so you can check it and find out your exact OBD port location. And once you find it, it's pretty easy to do. I'll do it now. So I presume this just tracks your mileage and the way you drive and reports it back. So I'll go and fit it. So this is a Fiat 500, and if you come in to the driver's side, just underneath this vent, you've got this panel here. Pull that off and your OBD is there. So obviously you got to unplug it, open the plug up, and that's it. So easy to get to. So I think I'm going to use this extension you get with it, and I'm going to plug the extension into the OBD and stick it on the back of here somewhere. So I'll just get that set up now.